Inside the interpreter, there's already a set of equivalent machine instructions for every command or expression we write. For example, look at this piece of JavaScript code. The interpreter already knows the corresponding machine-level operations for each of these lines. Suppose we have a variable where two numbers are being added, and there could be many more such instructions in our code. For every one of these, the interpreter has a predefined binary or machine code equivalent, which tells the computer exactly how to execute that particular command. When we run a program, the interpreter starts executing the instructions line by line. First, it looks at the first line. The interpreter already knows how to handle that operation. So it takes that instruction, translates it into binary, and executes it. Once the first line is done, it moves to the next line and the next and so on. But there's a problem. This process is quite slow because the interpreter has to execute one line at a time, constantly going back and forth between reading the script and executing it. This repeated process makes pure interpretation significantly slower. However, this process did have one big advantage. JavaScript was very easy to debug at that time. Here's why. The interpreter executes one instruction at a time. So if it encounters an error while running any particular line, it can immediately stop and notify the programmer exactly where the problem occurred. This made debugging much easier because developers could instantly identify the issue, fix it, and continue running the code.